Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to manage red receipts on Tinder. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Right here is the interface, and what we want to do is simply go to our profile. At the top left, here's your profile right here, simply click on it. Then this page will open up. Simply scroll down. And right under Web Profile, you will see something like Red Receipts, and just below it, Manage Red Receipts. Simply click on this button right here. Then this will open up. As you can see, I have enabled Red Receipts, but right now, I just want to disable it. So let's simply toggle off this button. And guys, there you go. That's how you manage Red Receipts in Tinder. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative. And for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.